Question is, what is the value of 255? Scott,
5,000.
5,000 is the correct answer.
Wow, amazing kids! Okay, now I will teach you how to get the final answer. What is the value of 255 squared minus 245 squared? Okay, let A equals 255. Let B equals 245. We will apply the concept of difference of two squares, A squared minus B squared. And the expanded form of this is A minus B times A plus B. Then substitute the value. A, that is 255, and B is 245. Okay, 255 minus 245 times 255 plus 245. Now, what will be the final answer? That is 10 times 500. 10 times 500, the answer is 5,000.